Go on YouTube. Today I got a Kizer. This is the Urban Bowie. Not exactly a new release, but new to my collection. Won't go over the packaging too much. It's got a microfiber cloth and some extra hardware. Here's the knife. It's a smaller knife, 5th pocket carry. Does come with some excellent micarta. Kizer seems to be on a league of their own with micarta. It's the Urban Bowie, so of course you have a Bowie style blade. And it's a 2.37 inch 154 cm satin finished blade. And you got a partial flat grind. Some really nice jimping. It's a Dirk Pinkerton design. This is his style of jimping. It's not as effective as some, but it works. These retail for $59. I got it on the Kizer 10th anniversary sale for half off. Not sure if they're still on sale by the time of posting this, but $59 is still a good deal for this. Blade stock on this knife is 2.8 millimeters or 0.11 inches. It's 5.75 inches overall length, so definitely small. Let's do my size comparisons. I don't have a whole lot of small knives or really any great comparisons to this, but I'll give it my best. Here's a Boker Baby X and the Vosteed Mini Nightshade I just acquired. Definitely bigger than the Baby X, but smaller than the Mini Nightshade. Let's try it against another Kizer, the Mini Sheepdog Button Lock. And the Ganzo FH924. Smaller than both of those as well. Here's my two best comparisons. QSP Mini Penguin. And the Tucson TS314. Pretty close to the same length as both of these. The QSP might be a little smaller, but about dead even with the Tucson. You got a 3.37 inch handle, 0.49 inches wide, and the close width in the pocket is 1.32 inches right in the middle. You got T6 body screws, which Kizer seems to not get away from. Knife weighs 2.55 ounces, so it's lightweight, but not super lightweight for the size. You have a deep carry reversible pocket clip with inset clip and flat screws. You have a nice tan micarta with good texture. You have one deployment option. You got the thumb hole. Really easy to flick with your thumb or reverse flick. It's kind of got a rough, it's not chamfered, so really easy to do. You have a lanyard hole, no backspacer. And you got a liner lock with good access. Really easy to disengage. Let's look at this Dirk jimping a little bit more. That's what I'm calling it. Goes all the way back on the scale, which is really nice. Even though this is a 3-finger knife, don't really need it back here. Still feels pretty comfortable in hand for it being such a small knife. You have a nice sharpening tool. You're going to get plenty of sharpening out of this. Let's go over my dislikes, which is not very many. Like all the other Kizers, I don't like the logo on the blade. But I'm not really a fan of this shiny pocket clip either. Wish that was stonewashed or something. It'd been nice to see some inset liners. And this really ain't a complaint, just a, I don't know what you call it, but I'd love to see this in a larger size. Maybe not an XL, but like a 7 to an 8-inch knife. Be really nice, because this is a good design. Really like it. It's a good looking knife. Happy I bought it. So yeah, I will link this down in the description if you want to pick one up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram. Give me a like or a comment. Yep. See you in the next one.